Nice.
Yeah. This is
The best part about cave crawling, you don't have to do it.
That's such a funny view. Just sit down as much as you can.
Alright, cave time, let's go.
That's not too bad. Yeah.
I lost you, dude.
feet first.
Yeah. Nice, man.
This is
Nice, dude.
Nice shimmy.
Nice, Ian. Yeah. Nice, Ian. Yeah, dude. Dude, nice shimmying. Yeah, buddy. Oh my gosh. You made that look easy. Nice, Ian. I can
You
take
know,
that.
the best part about cave diving, or cave crawling, you don't have to do it. No, I'm just kidding. This is fun though.
Nice,
I
Ian.
went through that.
Wow. We found a pool. It's cool. Yeah. Sweet. Yeah. So we go here, and then there's one rock that you have to go over. And that's about it. Yeah, that's much better. Just sit down as much as you can.
different strategy.
Okay.
Up like this.
Yeah, nice. Sit down on that one. Bring your feet as far as you can. Yeah, and then just sit down on that rock beneath you. Yeah.
All right.
Nice, dude. Dude, that's so funny. All I see is your arm.
Yeah.
I don't know. Watch your head, watch your head. Nice, you're good.
Sick.
Awesome. Oh. I made it. So, yeah. Just go like this. Yeah, just sit on it first. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, wow. Okay, and then I'm going there.
Yeah. Nice, Ian. Dude, that's such a funny view.
I came out backward.
Yeah. And watch your head.
Okay, sick.
Well, we survived. Nice, Ian.
Yeah, dude.